Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I know this is a week old. I was on my trip, so I'm a little late to updating this for you guys. So a lot of you guys might already be aware of this, but I know there is still some of you that maybe haven't heard. So this is for you guys. So Letecia Stauch took out a life insurance policy on Gannon 2 years before the murder. So I'm going to read you this article and then we'll go through a couple court documents. I'm going to try to keep this as short as possible, but it says Letecia Stauch took out a life insurance policy on her 11-year-old stepson 2 years before murdering him. These details are coming to light from a battle between USAA and Stauch happening in federal court, just 2 weeks after Stauch was found guilty on all accounts connected to Gannon Stauch's murder. According to court documents, Stauch bought the child rider insurance policy on June 11, 2017. The policy would allow Stauch to collect $25,000 after Gannon's death. But now, USAA is asking a federal judge to decide where that money should go. USAA also filed a federal lawsuit against Stauch and Gannon's biological parents, Al Stauch and Landon Hyatt. The financial services company claims the felonious killing of Gannon should not allow his murderer to profit from his death. USAA says it's an innocent stakeholder, which prompted them to petition the courts to decide who should recoup the death benefit. Court documents reveal that Stauch set the policy up to include who should be the beneficiary of the money if Gannon were to die. The plan included 75% to Stauch's biological daughter, Harley Hunt, and 25% to her ex-husband, Eugene Al Stauch, Gannon's biological father. However, on the day Stauch was arrested for Gannon's murder, she asked USAA to change that beneficiary information to remove Al. At the request of Stauch, on March 3, 2020, USAA changed this information to make Hunt the sole beneficiary of these life insurance funds. Wow, she's something else, huh? Here it is. So change a beneficiary endorsement. As owner of the above captioned contract, I hereby revoke the beneficiary currently in effect and replace them as follows. Sole beneficiary, 100% to Harley Hunt, child. It's important to review your beneficiary designations periodically. In some cases, the beneficiary designation may not be changed in the event of a divorce or annulment. Please consult an attorney for detailed information. In an interview, after Stauch was convicted of murdering his son, Al said he wants zero connection to his ex-wife. To emphasize that point, he said that he and his family will not be seeking restitution from her for this very reason. That opportunity would be there for us to seek restitution for all the losses, and my losses are tremendous. My losses are well in the six figures, but I would, and this is maybe my stubbornness, but I would rather pay every cent of those losses back than be connected with her, Al said. In federal court documents, an attorney for Al and Hyatt said they do not object to the federal courts keeping the money until a judge decides who the money should go to. So it says 13 Investigates spoke with attorney Jeremy Lowe, who explained why USAA is taking these steps to determine who should collect the life insurance money. When you take out an insurance policy, the insurance company has an obligation to pay on that policy. If they don't pay on that policy, the insurance company can be sued for triple damages, Lowe said. They've essentially given the money to the court, and they've asked the court to decide who the money should go to, if anybody at all. A federal court judge has filed an order to command USAA to pay the $25,000 to a treasury registry with the court. Now the judge is tasked with determining if the money should go back to USAA or a rightful owner. However, as Lowe explains, someone cannot recoup life insurance money after being convicted of killing that person. You can't take a life insurance policy out against someone and then murder them for the money. That's not allowed. It seems to be what occurred in this case, Lowe said. Lowe said parents taking life insurance policies out on their children, or in this case, stepchildren, are highly unusual. He said this is because children are typically not earning income, and if they were to pass away, that family is now on the hook for income losses. Gannon's life for those 2.5 years with his stepmother must have been absolutely atrocious. You try and think that no one can be that conniving or manipulative, but at this point, who knows, Lowe questioned. USAA issued this statement regarding the life insurance policy. This is a tragic situation, and USAA has given the proceeds to the court to determine the appropriate recipient of the life insurance policy. Rebecca Nelson, USAA spokesperson. So on 5/17, it looks like payment received from USAA Life Insurance in the amount of $26,415.24. So I'm not sure if that just means that they paid it and then the judge has to decide who it goes to. Yeah, because it says order grant plaintiff's motion for leave to deposit funds into the registry of the court.